Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I am Ada and today we're doing a Mother's Day unboxing from Bath & Body Works, and these are things that I got for Mother's Day from Bath & Body Works. So happy Mother's Day out there to all of the good mothers, and not happy Mother's Day to the bad mothers, because obviously they don't deserve a happy Mother's Day. This is a box of stuff kind of fell everywhere when I moved it. So the first thing I got is this Meet Me in Miami body lotion. I got this one because a lot of the reviews said that it smelled like a pina colada, and I love pina coladas, so I'm like, I want to smell like that. So I got this, and then I also got the Meet Me in Miami body wash. Can you smell it through here? Ooh. It actually does smell really, really good. I like that. Really like the packaging. The packaging on these is super, super cute. Like, I don't know, it gives me kind of like a retro vibe. Pretty as a peach body wash. And this one I got because I love peaches. I love peach scents. It is one of my favorites. Super excited for this one. Can never have enough body wash and like body care products, in my opinion. This next one is the Gingham Gorgeous, which describes the cute packaging. It is the moisturizing body wash. This one says that the fragrance notes are pink strawberries, peach nectar, and peony blooms. My husband always laughs because I pronounced peonies wrong. This one smells really good. I like this one. This one I was excited for because it said it had like the strawberry and the peach in it, so I thought that would be like a really fresh kind of summer scent. Pretty as a peach body cream. The Gingham Gorgeous body cream as well to go with the body wash, which I'm excited to try the moisturizing body washes because a lot of the times I get just like the clear kind of body washes. So I'm excited to try the moisturizing body wash to see kind of how I like that one versus just the regular one. That's the Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower moisturizing body wash, and I'll link it up in the cards, but I got the body lotion for this one and it smells amazing. It goes super well with my Hemp's Banana Flower shampoo and conditioner. Just smelling like a banana. Pink is the Pink Obsessed Fine Fragrance Mist. This one I got because I swear, which one is this? This one says that the fragrance notes are blushing jasmine, cashmere praline, and vanilla bourbon. And I got this one because I'm trying to remember. I think the people were saying that this one is like a dupe for Product Paradox, which I have Product Paradox and I love it. So I was like, well, that'd be really fun if this is like kind of a more affordable, like everyday thing I can wear. So then I got a candle. Not that I needed more candles, but you know, when the lights go out, because the lights go out quite frequently. We just lost power just the other day because we had a storm roll through. So at least I know that we have a lot of candles if the lights go out. Got the pink lavender and espresso candle. Look how pretty the packaging is. It's so simple. It says White Barn on the top. Oh my god. This one smells so good. Like, y'all, I've never wanted to eat a candle so bad in my life, but this thing, it literally smells like I am inside of a coffee shop. Like, do they have this? Like, maybe I have, like, missed it, but if they have this in a fragrance, lotion, something, I'm about to go look, because if they do, I'm about to get it. This smells so good. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe. And, of course, if you would like to become a channel member, I would greatly appreciate that. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.